Hi everyone. Today two videos, I am going to share my real experience of the SAP Build Certification Exam 2026, which is new format, and trust me, the pattern has completely changed. So if you are preparing, watch this video carefully because this can decide whether you can pass or fail. So I know you all will clear this exam. Sure will clear this exam. So recently, I also attempt this exam, and I experienced this new format exam, and I clear it. So for my experience, I want to share with you all. So maybe it will helpful to you to know about the exam new exam format, and from my experience you will learn more things, and I'm sure you will clear this exam in first attempt. Okay, so before starting this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and turn on the bell icon to get more update. So now start. First thing is, this is not a theory based exam. Okay, previously it was a theory based exam like MCQ type of question, and it was repeated. And we are taking help from the thumbs and get clear the exam. But now it is scenario based question plus practical exam. Okay, you need to do practical. Like before in our school college we are doing practical exam, right? Writing all those things, same thing will be here. You need to do practical, okay, in your system. And there is no proctor, camera will be no top end because it is AI based exam. Okay, AI will give you result when you will do practical. Time 3 hours will be run, and after 3 hours you will get the instant result. Either you will pass or fail, you will get instant result. Okay, so you will get a real business scenario questions. Okay, now let me explain the actual exam format. In the exam you will be given two scenario based questions, okay, along with PDF content steps and requirement, and also test cases will be provided, and you need to do all the test case in your system. Okay, you need to test case, you need to do all the test case will be clear. Okay, so your task is to build the solutions hands on using, first question will be SAP Build Lab, and second question will be like SAP Build Process Automation. Okay, this type of SAP Build Lab and SAP Build Process Automation will be topic will be asked. So this is very important. You have to follow each step from the PDF and build the application exactly as mentions, and execute and pass all the test cases. This is real project simulation, not just an exam. So now comes most critical part. This exam is AI evaluated, so that means there is no manual checking. The system check your work automatically. Okay, so even a small mistake you will do, the result is your fail. So let me give you a real example. If the question say create a project name like a purchase underscore order underscore application, but you have created your project name like purchase on order application, so even missing an underscore can also fail your exam because it is AI based. Okay, and it is 100% cut up score, so this type of small silly mistake will give you a 0 marks. Okay, so please remember this golden rule. So follow exact naming convention. Do not change anything. Do not skip steps. Okay. So be careful whenever you are giving to do exams. So everything should be same to same as given in the question. So next important point is this exam has 100% cut-off score. As you heard it, yes, this is right. So you must pass all test cases. You need to run all the test cases in your practical system, and you must complete all steps correctly. So even if one step is wrong, the one test case fails. So okay, then you will fail. So that's why you need to be more careful to do this attempt. And the worst case part is the AI will not tell you where you made the mistake. Okay, you need to analyze and understood where you did mistake, and next time you need to don't repeat that mistake again. So no partial scoring here. Okay, no hints. So as you are saying, looking here, this is certification exam new format, and this is 100% cut up score. Okay, And here you will get a practice system also. SAP is providing you practice system, where you can do practice as well for for the clear this preparation of SAP build certification exam. So in practice system you will do all the practice, okay. And it is a practice system provided by SAP, and it is like the practice system will be also expire. Okay, so I think 20 or 24 days they are giving you this practice system to practice the questions yeah, before attempt the exam. Okay, so they will give you for 20 days this practice system time validity. If you are not so be careful for the 20 days timing, and start to practice from that timing they have provided by SAP. If you are not practice that system within 10 time bond, then the practice system will be expired and you will not get further practice system again from the SAP. So be careful about that time format also. And now let me explain some practical tips from my experience. So first point is read the question and PDF very carefully, okay, because 3 hours, it is 3 hours exam. So you need to do 3 hours mindset, how to utilize that 3 hours during your exam. Okay, so don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed here. Okay, double check is project name, field name, workflow steps, and after building run all test cases properly, because when you will run the test cases, then whatever you will fill the input field, then it will store in the SAP backend system also. So one more important thing, many people prepare only theory, but this is 100% practical exam. So my suggestion is to do more practice, more and more practice in the practice system. So this is my suggestion. So please practice SAP Build App, practice a topic of a process automation workflow, and try real scenario before giving exam. So final advice from me is don't take this exam lightly. It looks simple, but it is very strict to follow all the steps. So if you follow instruction exactly, you will clear it. So if you ignore small details, you will fail. Okay. So I hope this video help you prepare better. So if you want, I can if you want, I need to make more and more videos, so please let me know in the comments. I will create more and more videos for other topics also, other certification also. So and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you so much.